Ever wonder why heart health remains a central concern worldwide? The answer is simple, yet alarming. Heart diseases are the leading cause of death globally, claiming millions of lives each year. It's a silent killer that creeps up without warning, making it a vital concern for everyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. It's not all doom and gloom though. While medical advancements have done wonders, there's an increasing interest in natural ways to boost heart health. And why not? Nature has always been a bountiful source of remedies, and it's high time we tap into that wealth. Imagine if you could add a layer of defense to your heart just by incorporating certain herbs into your diet. Yes, you heard that right. Herbs. Those humble plants that you often overlook hold the potential to significantly improve your heart health. Today, we'll uncover 7 herbs known to safeguard your heart health, each with its own unique benefits. First on our list, a common kitchen ingredient with uncommon heart benefits, garlic. This humble bulb is much more than a flavor enhancer for your favorite dishes. Garlic is a powerhouse of heart health benefits. Let's delve deeper. Garlic is known to help lower cholesterol levels. How does it achieve this? Well, it inhibits the liver from producing excessive amounts of cholesterol. But wait, there's more. Garlic can also help reduce blood pressure. It does this by relaxing and dilating your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, reducing the pressure on your heart. And let's not forget about garlic's potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect your body from damaging free radicals, contributing to heart health in a significant way. So next time you're cooking, remember to throw in a clove or two of garlic, not just for the delicious flavor, but for the good of your heart. Garlic, a simple herb with profound heart health benefits. Next up, hawthorn, a herb long revered as a heart tonic. A stalwart in traditional medicine, hawthorn is a plant with a storied history of bolstering heart health. This powerful herb has shown promise in enhancing cardiovascular wellness in a rather unique way by dilating the blood vessels. Imagine a highway with lanes expanding during rush hour, easing the flow of traffic. That's what hawthorn does to our circulatory system. It broadens the blood vessels, which in turn facilitates smoother, more efficient blood flow. This reduced strain on the heart, making it pump blood with less effort. Let's not underestimate the significance of this mechanism. It's like giving your heart a much-needed vacation, a break from the constant strain and pressure. By doing so, hawthorn helps in reducing the risk of heart-related ailments, making it a potent ally for your heart. Hawthorn, a traditional remedy with modern-day relevance. A testament to the adage, old is indeed gold when it comes to safeguarding your heart health. Moving on to a popular beverage with immense health benefits, green tea. This soothing drink is not just your average cup of tea. It's a heart defender, packed with potent antioxidants called polyphenols. These nifty compounds wage a silent war against harmful cholesterol levels, helping to keep them in check. Green tea's superpowers don't stop there. Its rich supply of catechins, a specific type of antioxidant, offers a sturdy shield against oxidative damage. This damage is a major culprit behind heart disease, aging us from the inside out. But with green tea on our side, we're better equipped to fight back. Moreover, green tea's benefits extend beyond the heart. It's been linked to improved brain function, fat loss, a lower risk of cancer, and many other impressive benefits. So next time you're reaching for a hot drink, consider green tea. It's more than just a comforting beverage. It's a potion for heart health. Green tea, a soothing drink with protective properties. Next, we delve into the world of spices with turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow hue, turmeric is more than just a kitchen staple. At the heart of this golden spice lies a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is the star player in turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory agent and a robust antioxidant. Now, why does this matter for your heart? Inflammation and oxidation are 2 significant factors that contribute to heart disease. By combating these, curcumin plays a pivotal role in promoting heart health. Imagine, something as simple as adding a dash of turmeric to your meals could help safeguard your heart. But remember, curcumin is not easily absorbed into the bloodstream, so pair it with black pepper, which contains piperine, enhancing curcumin's absorption by a whopping 2,000%. Turmeric, a vibrant spice with a heart of gold. Our next herb, ginkgo biloba, is often called a living fossil. This is because it's one of the oldest living tree species in the world. But don't let its age fool you. This ancient plant holds secrets that are incredibly beneficial to our heart health. Ginkgo biloba is known to enhance blood flow throughout the body, including the heart, by expanding the blood vessels. This enhanced circulation can lead to improved heart health and overall vitality. But that's not all. Ginkgo also boasts powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are crucial in the fight against free radicals, harmful compounds that can cause heart disease and other health issues. By neutralizing these free radicals, Ginkgo biloba safeguards our heart and contributes to its longevity. So, while Ginkgo biloba may be an ancient herb, its benefits are timeless. It's a testament to the wisdom of nature and its remarkable ability to provide us with heart-healthy solutions. Ginkgo biloba, an ancient herb with timeless benefits. Coming up next is a tiny seed with mighty benefits. Flaxseed. Don't let the size of these seeds fool you. They pack a powerful punch in the health department. Flax seeds are a treasure trove of nutrients. They are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, these aren't just any fatty acids, they are the good kind, the kind your heart loves. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to promote heart health in several ways. They help to reduce blood pressure, a common risk factor for heart disease. But that's not all. These fatty acids also play a pivotal role in taming inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to heart disease if left unchecked. Therefore, by reducing inflammation, omega-3 fatty acids help to nip potential heart problems in the bud. So, don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Incorporate flax seeds into your diet and give your heart the care it deserves. Flaxseed, a small seed with big heart health benefits. Last but not least, a familiar face in our kitchens, ginger. This spicy, aromatic root has been gracing our dishes with its unique flavor for centuries, but its benefits extend far beyond the culinary realm. Packed with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger is a true champion for heart health. Firstly, ginger has been shown to effectively lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for heart disease as it can lead to arterial plaque buildup, restricting blood flow. By keeping cholesterol levels in check, ginger helps maintain a clear path for blood to flow freely to the heart. Secondly, ginger's natural compounds have demonstrated an ability to reduce blood clotting. Blood clots can be dangerous as they might block blood vessels leading to heart attacks or strokes. Lastly, the strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of ginger contribute to overall heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in heart disease development. Ginger, a humble root with remarkable heart protective quality. These are just 7 of the many herbs that can safeguard your heart health. The key is to incorporate them into your daily diet in a balanced and healthy way. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Incorporate these herbs into your diet and give your heart the care it deserves. And now we're at the end of our heart-healthy journey. But remember, the journey to a healthier heart doesn't end here. It's a lifelong commitment that requires consistency, discipline, and a balanced diet. Like anything worth having, a healthy heart requires work. But don't worry, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to help you every step of the way. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more heart-healthy tips and tricks. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and helpful. Share it with your friends and family because a healthier heart is a gift that keeps on giving. And don't forget to comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, your experiences, and your success stories. Your journey could inspire someone else to take that first step towards a healthier heart. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Let's make our hearts happy together.